Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about pooling and where that's used. So pooling is creating a job list to cut different openings, probably whether it's at the end of the day, lunchtime, vice versa, just about sending all the jobs to one area. So what we do is create the jobs as we need them. So the first one might be 300 by 400 with borders 40 all the way around. So this might be one of the jobs. So I come up to the right hand screen, top of the right hand screen where it says send to pool. Okay, so what we need to do is put in a job name. So this job might be for Tim, and Tim needs 6 of them. You can type in the mat board so that they're always correlated to the type of board you're cutting, and I'll press OK. Job sent. Alright, so the next job I will say is 200 by 300, and I'll do the same thing, send this one to pool, and this one here could be for John. John needs 5 of these. Sent. And you might have another customer come in and you're about to cut, and rather than just cutting individuals, you might just go, okay, this job might be 600 by 700, and drop an opening in, and this one might be for Bob, and he only wants 1, so we press OK. So from here I just go back to the start of the dialog box to Smart Cut, and that'll bring up the Smart Cut screen, and I go to pooling on the right hand side here. So here's all the jobs that I've sent. So Bob, John, and you can see here the width, the height, the type of mat board, how many jobs has been requested. So it's asking for 1, none of them done, and so there's a balance. So if we're going to cut all of these, and we'll just say the mat board is a standard mat board, 1000 by 800. We come across here to preview. So they're all labelled here, so Bob only wants 1, and Tim is going to get 1, 2, and John will get 3 out of this one sheet. So when I'm ready, I just press cut down the bottom here. So it sent me to the cut screen, and I can just cut this as normal. So we know that there's actually more for Tim and for Bob. So once this is cut and finished, I can just right hand click, clear left, and go back to pool. Basically the screen here just says that external cut was not selected, so I'll just say no, select outside cut, press pull. Now you can see that Bob's job is gone. If we look at John, you'll see we started with 5 jobs, we've done 3, so there's a balance of 2 to be done. Once they've all been done, it clears it from the screen, so you can't bring it back again. So I'll just hit preview. There's the rest of the jobs. Press cut. And we're all good to go. Hope this helps.